Ayan, ang mga Pinay na mag-cherry picking sa kainitan ng araw. This is where we went before to do cherry picking as well. And we have a few ladies that are new to cherry picking. Anong ginagawa?
Kukuha ng jacket.
Ah, oo, okay. Mainit talaga. Nako, nauto-uto na adlaw.
Payong unta.
Ay, pagano ka magpayong nga nagkumuha ka cherries?
Itim na naman ako. Tago na naman.
Oo, ayos lang yan. Makukuha, maano pa yan.
Isang araw doon lang ako saan. Sa loob.
Oo. Hindi naman tayo magtatagal dito. Madali mapuno yan. Oo. Depende kung madali ka, ano ka, dami ang gusto mo. Saan yan? Hinog na? Ano ito niya? Hilaw.
Ako lang.
Pwede na? May da pa? Hey honey, what do you call this thing? Nectarine ata? Uy, uda.
That's a big cherry.
It's not it's not a cherry, it's a nectarine. Nectarine, ano?
Put them in.
No, I want to eat it.
No.
Try it. No, I want to try it. Oh. Hindi pa ready. Bigas. Pwede na pagtiyagaan pero my little cherry picker. Say hi. There you go. Wow. Tingnan mo naman tong bunch na to. Wow, kasarap. Kalami ay. Lami kaayo. Anong variety kaya ito? Let's try. Sweet. Oo. More. Ay, ay, ay. Bulok, oh. It's either dun sa may puno ang nabubulok or yung pusod niya, yung navel. Oh no, they're rotten, honey. Look at that.
No.
Look at the stem.
Oh.
Yeah. No, I'm not paying for that. Get rid of that.
Hold it. Hold it. So it's too hard to hold the bucket and pick.
Yeah, you gotta put it in your arm.
Well, I've got to get the freezer part.
Okay, I'll go in there. There's more in there. Go through.
Oh my, he's a good one.
Wow. Grabe na itich. Grabe na itich. Aray ko. Nauntog pa ako. Make sure they're sweet, honey. Daming bunga. Nakailang kilo ka na, ate?
Yung mga ano, binipili.
Oo, talaga. Kasi babayaran natin yan. So, dapat yung maganda. Nakaka 1/4 na ako. Ikaw, pera na. Gidaw, liwat iya kay Uda. Uy, upaya. No. Ano ka? An istim? Hala, mag-iisog hira.
Kaya mo naksiri, nagpinanguha mo.
Oo, an may istim, day.
Nagbutang upo dito kuan.
Sugad. Ayaw, tipsok kay makukuan anong tawag dito? Mabubrus siya.
Sugad pa dada. Adi na. Adi na.
My little harvester. Oh. Do you know how to do it, Rory? That's the proper way to do it with the stem. Very good. Yay! Yes, that's a proper way of doing it. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Well done. Oy, tingnan nyo mabuti ha, yung sa may stem at saka yung sa ilalim. Pati sa may stem.
Mga donut yung kita ko.
Pwede nyo rin kunin yung medyo mapula pa para pag uwi sa bahay hindi ka agad siya mahinog. May time pa para mahinog para hindi agad mabulok. Kumbaga manibalang. Yan. Kaan na rin ako, oh. Yan ang aking basket. There's my harvester. Very busy. How many have you got? Okay, put it in my... Well done. Nice.
I'm gonna eat one.
Okay. Get one from the tree, not from my basket.
It's too hard to find, mate.
Yeah.
Too hot.
Look at you. Come here, your face. Show your face. Look at you there.
Get us in trouble. I look at your face and weigh you.
Yeah. You gotta be careful because you really have to check really well. Because some are, a lot of them are rotten. They're raised. They'll just go in the ground. See that? The fruit itself is nice, but the top, look at that.
Stung, eh?
It's rotten. Ayan, ayan ang mga Pinay na cherry pickers. Oh, ayan oh. Kanya-kanyang basket. Ang bayad per kilo, free entrance. Ang bayad per kilo, free entrance. How you doing? Huh? You love it? You enjoying? Yeah? Okay. Pick some more and put it in our basket.
I'm helping them.
I know, right?
And I haven't got more in here.
Just make sure they're not brown.
They're brown.
Let me see. Oh no, that's fine as long as it's not rotten. See? That's good. You can eat that. Yum. Here we are. Our basket. I think this is worth 2 kilos now, honey.
No, the bucket weighs a fair bit.
No?
Oh, I'll be pretty close.
Yeah.
How much is it?
I don't know. Not sure. That's enough, I guess. Tulungan nga kita. Total, 4 kilos ang kailangan mo.
Ayan naman.
Ang lagkit na ng kamay ko sa ano? Katas. Katas, oh. Kapag kumain ka, kailangan isubo mo ng buo. Kasi kapag kinalahati mo lang, yung katas tutulo sa kamay mo. Abaw, huling-huli in action. Ang aking mga trabahante. Ang aking mga trabahante, oh. Nakahupo na. Wow, nakailang kilo na kayo.
Kalahating
Wow,
kilo.
grabe.
Ay, wow, thank you.
Ilang kilo sa'yo? Mga 2, 4 na yata yan. Siguro, hindi ko alam. Ay sus, hindi ko kayo bayaran for the day, ha?
Magre-resign na ako.
Oh, buti pa tong isang ano ko, trabahante, oh.
Tamad.
Oh yes, walang pahinga. I found a nest. Bird's nest. Ano kaya kung meron tong laman? I don't wanna touch it kasi yung ibon, maaamoy niya yung ano, kamay natin.
You gonna eat mo?
Oo.
Sure?
Kuha lang tayo ng cherries. Ito sa tabi niya, oh. Yan. We're finished. Are we going now? Oh, do we? Okay. Uwi na ang mga cherry pickers. Napakainit. Gutom na ako. It's 12:30. Now,